Imagine leaping out of bed each morning with legs that feel like they belong to your younger self. Vibrant, steady, and ready to carry you through a day of walks in the park, dancing with your partner, or simply moving with confidence. Free from the dread of wobbly knees, sudden cramps, or a fall that could rob you of your independence. For those over 60, the key to unlocking this vitality lies in 7 scientifically backed vitamins and minerals that transform your legs into unstoppable pillars of strength, ensuring you stay active and independent well into your golden years. First, vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, is non-negotiable for strong bones and muscles, enabling calcium absorption to prevent osteoporosis and supporting nerve signals to reduce those agonizing nighttime leg cramps that jolt you awake. Aim for 800 to 1,000 IU daily from sunlight, fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, or supplements. As a Journal of the American Geriatric Society study shows, it boosts walking endurance by improving blood flow. Next, magnesium, a natural muscle relaxer, tackles those excruciating leg cramps common in seniors, with the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reporting a 34% lower cramp risk for those meeting the 420 milligram daily goal through pumpkin seeds, 160 milligrams per 30 grams, almonds 80 milligrams, avocados 22 milligrams per half, or spinach 150 milligrams per cup. Consult your doctor about supplements like magnesium citrate for better absorption. Calcium, the cornerstone of bone density and muscle contractions, is critical at 1,200 milligrams daily, per the National Osteoporosis Foundation, to prevent fractures and shaky legs. Get it from milk, 300 milligrams per cup, cheddar, 200 milligrams per ounce, or sardines with bones, 380 milligrams per 3.5 ounces. But cap intake at 2,000 milligrams to avoid kidney stones. Vitamin K2, the unsung hero, directs calcium to your bones, not arteries, reducing arterial calcification by 52% and hip fracture risk by 41%, per the Journal of Thrombosis and Hemostasis. Find it in natto, 1,000 plus micrograms per ounce, Gouda, 75 micrograms per ounce, or egg yolks, but check with your doctor if on blood thinners like warfarin. Vitamin B12 ensures crisp nerve signaling to prevent tingling or unsteady legs, with a neurology study noting a 30% nerve conduction slowdown in deficient seniors. 20% of those over 60. Boost it with beef liver, 3,000% daily needs per 3 ounces. Salmon, 300 to 500% per 100 grams. Or eggs, and consider sublingual tablets if on metformin or acid reducers. Omega-3's EPA and DHA supercharge muscle protein synthesis by 30% per the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, preserving leg strength and easing joint inflammation. Aim for 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams daily from salmon, 1,500 milligrams per 100 grams. Mackerel or fish oil, but consult your doctor if on blood thinners due to slight bleeding risks. Finally, coenzyme Q10 powers your muscle mitochondria, which decline by 65% after 60, causing weakness. A National Institutes of Health study found 100 to 200 milligrams daily boosts leg strength by 23% in 8 weeks. Get small amounts from liver 3 ounces. Or salmon, but supplements, ubiquinol form with healthy fats like olive oil, are key, especially for statin users who face depleted levels. Try a 400-calorie meal to hit 5 of these. 3.5 ounces salmon, 1,500 milligrams, omega-3s 2 to 3 milligrams, Sioku 10 half an avocado, 22 milligrams magnesium egg, 5 micrograms K2, B12, half a cup spinach, 80 to 90 milligrams magnesium, and Greek yogurt, 150 milligrams calcium. This meal, enjoyed 3 to 4 times weekly, fights cramps, boosts circulation, and fortifies muscles. Swap salmon for mackerel or add Gouda for variety, and sprinkle black pepper to enhance CoQ10 absorption. Always consult your doctor before supplements, especially with medications affecting clotting or CoQ10 levels. Picture yourself climbing stairs or strolling with grandkids without fear of stumbling. These nutrients make it possible. Drop a comment with "I choose strong legs" to commit to this journey. And let's build a future of freedom, strength, and pride, one nutrient-packed bite at a time.